Hi English learners. Today, we're talking about plurals, when one thing becomes two or more, but the word doesn't always just get an S at the end. Like, why do we say one child, two children instead of two childs? Let's solve this. Regular plural rules. For most nouns in English, just add s or s. Dogs, books, buses, boxes. Tip: add as if the word ends in s, x, ch, shay or z. Buses, boxes. Irregular plurals. Now let's meet the rule breakers. These don't follow the usual rules, but we can remember them with practice. Man, woman, women, child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, mouse, mice, person, people. She has two childs. Wrong. She has two children. Okay. Quick quiz. Pick the right plural. Let's play. Fix the plural. Ready? One goose, two geese. A person, two people. I see three boxes. Nice job. You're becoming a plural pro. Plural nouns can be tricky, but you've got this. Regular. Add s or s. Irregular. Just memorize the common ones and laugh at the weird ones. Comment below. What's the funniest plural you've learned in English? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more lessons. See you soon on My Favorite English Teacher.